Citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle is also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle or Crab cycle. Reaction of glycolysis are localized in cytosol and do not require any oxygen, whereas pyruvate dehydrogenase and TCA cycle reaction takes place in mitochondria, where oxygen is utilized to generate ATP by oxidative phosphorylation. Consumption of oxygen by respiration depend on the rate of PDC and TCA reaction. Product of glycolysis cycle, it enters from glycolysis to citric acid cycle where it converts into acetyl CoA. This reaction is catalyzed by pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme, and the formation of NADH plus H plus and carbon dioxide is occur at this stage. Then the condensation of acetyl CoA with oxaloacetate is to give citrate, and this reaction is catalyzed by citrate synthase enzyme. Then citrate isomerizes to give cis-aconitate in the presence of aconitase enzyme with elimination of one molecule of water. Then cis-aconitate is converted to D-isocitrate in the presence of aconitase enzyme with addition of one molecule of water. The dextro form of isocitrate undergoes decarboxylation to give alpha glutarate, and this reaction is catalyzed by isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. The formation of NADH plus H plus is occur at this stage. Then again alpha ketoglutarate undergoes decarboxylation process to give succinyl CoA in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme. Then succinyl CoA gives succinate in the presence of succinyl CoA synthase enzyme with formation of GTP and elimination of CoA SH molecule. Then succinate is converted to fumarate after undergoing oxidation process in the presence of succinic dehydrogenase enzyme. Then fumarate is converted to malate in the presence of fumarase enzyme with addition of water. Finally, malate is converted to oxaloacetate in the presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. At this stage, NADH H plus formation occur. Then again acetyl CoA condense with oxaloacetate to give citrate in the presence of citrate synthase enzyme. Eight ATPs are formed by glycolysis cycle and 24 ATPs are formed from citric acid cycle. So net ATPs formed from citric acid cycle and glycolysis cycle are 38 ATPs. Function is to provide energy in form of ATP. It is the final common pathway for the oxidation of carbohydrate, lipid and protein via acetyl CoA or intermediate of the cycle. Citric acid cycle is an amphibolic process, that is it plays role in both oxidative, catabolic and synthetic anabolic processes. Example: gluconeogenesis, transamination, fatty acid synthesis and porphyrin synthesis.